Stay alert in there. There's a thunder lizard nearby. My highly tuned instincts can just sense it. I guess those pesky thunder lizards aren't around here after all. Driver, take us back to our evil lair. The coast is clear to implement our evil plan.
Biff, what do you have to report?
I'm happy to report there were no thunder lizards out there. The coast is clear to carry out our evil plan.
Wonderful, Biff. Now for you and your team to use these hideous drilling vehicles to enter Jurassic City from underground. Once the tunnel has been dug, we'll send in the troops for a sneak attack from below.
Yes, oh great bile spewer. I've always said it's best to work your way up from the bottom.
Stop laughing and go before I pull your head off, Biff.
Right away, sir.
The rest of you come with me. My donuts need glazing.
How about bran muffins for a change?
I'm not touching those eclairs.
Move out!
We're taking over your vehicle. This is not a drill.
Dig it, man!
Did you hear something?
No.
Oh well, it must be my imagination.
Thunder lizards! We've got to outrun them!
Excellent. It sounds like Biff has broken through to Jurassic City. Troops, stand by for our march to glory.
Ah!